Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is another recipe for July. It's a juice and a tea month. I'm going to show you how I make a fast and easy tea. It's good for anything. I mean, this tea works on your body from the inside out. It is a complete health tea. I'm going to show you how to get this one together. So come on, let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now let's talk about ginger. Ginger is good for having in your house. It's good for pain, digestive problem, motion sickness, and loss of appetite. So it's good to have ginger around the house. Cumin powder or cumin seed is good for skin disorder, cancer, digestion. It also improves immunity. It's good for boils and people with piles problem, respiratory problems. It's even good for cold and people who suffer from asthma and also have lactate problems. Celery seed is a good form of antioxidant. It is filled with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K and C. It also is filled with potassium, folate, and vitamin B6. It is pretty good stuff. Caraway seed is good for heartburn, bloating, gas, or loss of appetite. It is also good for people with mild spasms as well. Mustard seed. Mustard seed is filled with vitamin A. A whole heap of calcium is in mustard seed, so this is a must-have in your daily diet. Vitamin D to the core. It's filled with mineral and potassium. It also has fatty acid in it, so it's good for heart health as well. Poppy seed is filled with vitamin C, omega-3 and 6. It's also good for heart health, iron, it has a lot of that, minerals as well. It also prevents constipation, guys. It also builds muscles and bones. Flaxseed. Flaxseed should all be included in your daily diet at least 3 times a week, whether by you drinking it or whether you put it into your meal. Flaxseed also is a fatty acid and it's extremely good for heart health. Okay guys, we are moving on to our very first step and our very only step. Alright, I have a pot on the fire there, and that pot has exactly 2 cups of water in it. Now guys, if you're making for quite a few people, you just want to go ahead and double that amount. So I'm going to go ahead and put my ginger in. 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of flax seed, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin powder or seed. Now guys, you want to let this boil on medium heat for at least 10 minutes. And when I come back, I'm going to show you how to set this up in your cup for serving. Okay guys, now our tea is finished. You just want to go ahead and get a strainer and pour that tea in. Okay guys, so I'm going to add some honey just for flavor. Now if you don't want to add honey, that's fine. And that's it, your tea's ready. So there you have it guys, fast, easy and simple. I hope you enjoyed this one. These recipes are ending July 31st, and as of August 1st you guys can start sending in your food recipes. Alright, so once again guys, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.